Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 20. It says there's 472 students enrolled at the middle school. If 75% of the students are present one day, how many students were absent? Okay, so we know percent is out of 100. So 75 out of 100 represents 75%. I'm going to now simplify that by dividing numerator and denominator by 25. 75 divided by 25 is 3. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So 75% represents 3/4 of those students. So what I can always do is draw a tape diagram now and break that down into fourths. Right? 75% would be 3/4. I know the total number of students at the school is 472. 3/4 of them are present. I'm wondering how many of them are absent. All right, so I'll take my 472, divide it by 4. 4 goes into 4 once. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract off. Drag down your 7. 4 goes into 7 once. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract off. 3. Drag down your 2. 4 goes into 32 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. So in each fourth or 25%, so every 25% has 118 students. So if I asked how many were present that day, I'd have to do 118 times 3. I'm asking how many were absent that day. So if 3/4 were present, 1/4 is absent. So 118 students, were absent. Another way to do this problem is you can always just take your 3/4 and multiply it by 472 if you wanted to find 75%. At the 6th grade level, a lot of times you use tape diagrams. If the school is reimbursed $60 per day per student in attendance, how much money did the school lose that day? So if 118 students weren't there, you have to do 118 times 60 because that school is losing out on $60 for every student absent. So that would be a 0. 6 times 2 is 48. Put down an 8, carry a 4. 6 times 1 is 6, and 4 more is 24. Put down a 4, carry a 2. 6 times 1 is 6, and 2 more is 8. So they've lost out on $8,480 for the day, as long as I multiplied correctly. All right, I hope that helps.